What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at Tesla today, running through the chart, looking at some different indicators, and talking about the outlook on Tesla overall. Right now, it's looking pretty good. We're looking here on the monthly chart, sitting at 346 post-hours, post-market, after hours, whatever you're going to call it. We close at 348.68. Very, very nice sign that we're seeing. We have 6 days and 23 hours left on the month. We got a nice close above this key level of support and resistance. We ended up pushing all the way back down to 272 and wicked all the way back up. That is extremely bullish. So if we can close this month at 366 or higher, that's going to be very, very nice. We actually did speak about it previously, where we were saying looking to the left once we broke this key level at 310, that we could have a clean move to about 390 or so. And it looks like it's playing out pretty well. We made it to roughly 370, pushed back down. I could definitely see a nice clean move to 390 and eventually to like 400 or so. Price action is looking very good right now. And today's gain was 8% on the day for Tesla, which is a nice gain. As you can see here on the weekly, we're looking pretty good. We're pushing back into this region filled with wicks. I think once we break this 365, we could see around 389 to 390. It'll be this tiny zone here. It's going to be roughly around here, I would say, somewhere in this ballpark. It's a minor level of resistance, and I think we can break that and then make it to that 400, 430 region. When you look at the SMAs, you can see we pushed down to our 20 and 50, and we shot right back off of it. An extremely bullish move, and we just blew past our 20 right here on the daily, looking extremely bullish. On the 4 hour, same thing, we went above our 50. Let's see if we come back for a retest or if we just continue moving up from here. On the weekly EMA, the 8 EMA, we closed above it, retested, and we shot right off of it. And on the daily EMA, we just got a nice move right off of it. We catapulted right off of it, and we're sitting at a pretty nice level right now. On the weekly RSI, we're looking very good. We're seeing an increase in strength, higher highs and higher lows. We're holding above our yellow moving average, and we're holding above the 50 level. So we're sitting at 56 right now. Eventually, more than likely going to break this local high here at around 59 on the RSI. So let's see what happens. It's looking very good though right now. On the daily, even better. Created kind of like a mini bull flag in this area, and now it's pushing up higher. Nice V-shaped recovery, and let's see if we can make it to that 67 region and eventually to the oversold region overbought region at 70 or higher for a nice extended move here on Tesla. Once Tesla gets going, it's very hard to stop, and it'll be green day after green day. On the weekly, we're looking very nice as well. We got the green flip. We have the blue holding above the orange in the bullish territory. So that's a nice sign. And on the daily, we're about to get the blue flipping above the orange, and we're about to get the red flipping back to green for bullish momentum to the upside for a nice move to the upside with volume and momentum. When you zoom out on a larger time frame, you can see when you pull a fib to the top for this leg here, we landed right on the 786. We pushed back up above the golden zone. We closed above it, slightly underneath the 382. We pulled back into the golden zone off this wick, and we catapulted right off of it. Like I said, the golden zone is always one of the strongest levels. It's like a magnet for price, and it's pushing up higher. So let's see what happens when we break above the 382 into the 236 and eventually start to catch a nice little run here on Tesla. If we were to just measure out this bull flag, for instance, here to here, and we measure that out from this low, that would take us to about 760 or so on Tesla, which I think is very doable. I don't think that's out of the question. I don't know when it's going to happen. That's really the question, just when. It's not a matter of if. Tesla's doing a lot of great things with the company, a lot of innovative stuff going on. So this is something that you want in your portfolio 5, 10, 15 years. Have a long-term mindset, and you should be okay. It's something that you're not going to want to look at every single day because of the price swings, especially if you don't have the appetite for volatility. But long term, it should turn out okay. Not financial advice, of course. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.